You can save time on your Mac by automating the things you do most and combining multiple steps into just one. Here's how with shortcuts. When you open the Shortcuts app, you may see shortcuts synced from your other Apple devices that are signed in to iCloud. In Starter Shortcuts, you'll find personalized shortcuts from Siri based on how you use your devices. Now let's check out the gallery located in the sidebar. Here you'll find pre-made shortcuts organized into collections for things like accessibility, Siri, and more. We're going to set up two apps to work side by side with the split screen to Apps shortcut. Let's click it to check it out. Here you'll see the shortcut description, including Siri commands and other compatible apps and devices the shortcut may appear on. Click Add Shortcut to customize it. When customizing shortcuts, you may be asked to enter information and choose options like apps, dates, and times. Here, we're going to select the apps we want to use in split screen. Once you're done, click Add Shortcut. You can quickly run a shortcut from Spotlight, Siri, and more. Let's try running one from the menu bar. To do this, just drag a shortcut from All Shortcuts onto Menu Bar in the sidebar of the Shortcuts app. To run it, click the Shortcuts app icon in the menu bar and select the shortcut. Great! Now our apps are ready to use side by side. And that's the Shortcuts app on Mac. One click, done. To learn more about your Mac, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.